How to fix Instagram activity as status not showing. If you can't see someone's last active or your own activity status, it's usually because of the privacy settings and account sync issues or even app glitches. Here's a short guide to fix it. First thing you have to do is open up Instagram. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. From here, you want to check your privacy settings. Go over to account section at the bottom right. Tap on the menu icon at the top right. And from here, you want to scroll down and find messages and story replies. Tap on it. Then you can see your activity status option. Tap on there, show activity status, and make sure this is enabled. Because if this is disabled, other people won't be able to see when you're active, and you also won't be able to see when other people are active. Now, after turning this on, if you're still facing the issue, then that means that the other person you're trying to look at is also they have also turned off the activity status. So ask them to enable their activity status too. Now, after doing all of that, you should fix the problem. But if you're still facing the issues, it's probably because of some account sync issues or app glitches. So you can close out Instagram from here, and all you have to do is long press on it, tap on the I button. From here, go to storage, tap on clear cache, and you can also try to force stop the app. Tap on force stop, tap on OK. What it does is it's going to completely shut down the background activity, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.